Hi folks, Carol Ann here from SassyTownhouseLiving.com. Today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite Chrome extensions, and it's called Mightytext. And what Mightytext does is it allows you through a web browser to manage and navigate and have control over all of your messages, your photos and videos, your contacts, and so on. And today I want to walk you through how to install it and how to use it. So the very first thing you need to do is go to mightytext.net. Once you're there, you'll click on Get the App. Now I already have mine installed, so I can't walk you through the exact process, but it's very easy to do. And once you get that installed, you need to also install the app on your Android device. And again, it'll walk you through how to do that. Once the two are talking and communicating to each other, and your Chrome extension is installed, all you need to do is look up here in the upper right hand corner. You could see there's a Mightytext little icon. You click on it and you can launch Mightytext directly from here. You can also compose a new text, and there's also a little battery widget which comes in very handy for when you don't have your phone right next to you. You can see how your battery charge is doing. So we've opened Mightytext, and this is how the interface looks. And as you can see, there's menu options on the left, and we're going to go through them. And the first one is messages. So I have some text messages here that I've sent or received, and now I have full control over them through my browser window. I can reply back to folks through here. I can delete them. I can refresh this thread. Whatever I need to do now, I don't need my phone anymore. I can do it directly via Mightytext. And this is just awesome. There's so many times when I don't want to grab my phone, or my phone's in another room, or even if somebody borrows your phone, you could still have control over your text messages, which is awesome. That's happened to me so many times. Somebody's taken my phone and I still wanted to reply to text messages. Well, I can with Mightytext. So you can decide how many threads you want to keep and how many you want to delete simply by clicking on this trash can. The next is the photos and videos. Now you can have all of your photos and videos right at your fingertips. Prior to using Mightytext, I had to rely on using other software, connect my phone to my computer, open the software, and so on and so forth. Multiple steps to do something simple. Now with Mightytext, you don't have to worry about that. All of your images are stored right here, so you could click on one and see the full image. You can delete them from here. You could save them, and this is the brilliant part. All you do is click save, and as you can see, it downloaded it right to my computer. No more connecting wires, no more opening up additional software. That feature alone is brilliant. I can also forward it. I can send it to Facebook or Twitter, or send it as a text message. So if I wanted to send this picture to somebody, I could very easily do it right from here. There's also a built-in editor. This is another feature that is really awesome. When you click on it, it opens up an editor. And from here, you can crop it. You can add text. You can resize it. You could change the orientation and brightness. You could draw on it. You could do whatever you need to do right from the Mightytext editor. It's just awesome. Love that feature. So, as you can see, all my photos are in here. I've had tons of them. I've deleted some. I've left some. It's just fabulous. And you can set for how long in the settings you want your text messages and your photos to stay in Mightytext, and we'll go over that next. One of the other things I wanted to show you is when somebody texts you, you could call them directly from the text message. So you would just highlight the person, click on this phone, and it dials them up for you. Imagine that. You don't need to go grab your phone. You can make a phone call directly from your browser. There's a keypad here too. You could click on phone and dial up another number, someone that's not in your contact list, and then just hit call. There's two other features on here that are really great as well. The first one is Ring My Phone. So if you misplace your phone, you just click this and it rings your phone for you. There's been so many times when I've misplaced my phone and I've used this feature and it's just great. Always find your phone. The second one is the Send File function. And there's been times when I've updated my resume, or I've had a grocery list or photos, anything I wanted to send to my phone, I can do directly from here. Those are two features that are just terrific. Once you go in your settings, you can determine how long you want your messages stored for. 30 days, 14 days, 60 days, and so on. You can also tell Mightytext when you want your messages deleted, either yes or no. So maybe you don't want your messages deleted on your phone, but you want them deleted on Mightytext, and you set that preference here. You can also sync older messages. So be sure to play with your settings so that you can make Mightytext work exactly the way that you want it to work. It also manages your contacts for you too. So you can see all of your contacts in Mightytext, and you don't need to grab your phone to do that. One of the other features I wanted to talk to you about was the Pro version. Now, the version I'm sharing with you today is the free version, but they also have a fantastic Pro version, and that version gives you a lot of functions and features, and it's $3.33 a month, or you can pay annually. It's $39.99 per year. Currently, they have a promo code for an additional 15% off, which is exciting. I will link that promo code in the down bar, and I will also have a post on my blog, sassytownhouseliving.com, where you can get some more details about this Chrome extension and get the promo code there as well. So be sure to check out their Pro version. As you can see, you get a lot more power behind Mightytext when you have the Pro version. You could save drafts or messages to send later. You could block numbers. That's brilliant. So if somebody's calling you and you don't want to hear from them anymore, you can just block their number right from here. You get an additional 100 gigs of photos and video storage. You can change up to 15 themes. You can sync all your messages from your phone and store your messages forever. So be sure to check out their Pro version as well. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial of Mightytext. I've been using it for over a year now, and it's completely changed my Android experience. I hope you get to enjoy Mightytext as well. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as I can. Please visit my blog at sassytownhouseliving.com and subscribe to my newsletter. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so very much for watching, and have a great day.